At Virtual Hearing, we help people reconnect with conversations, laughter, and the little sounds that make life special. Even around Halloween, we see all kinds of patients. Some a little spooky, some just tired of missing out. Because hearing well isn't just about volume, it's about connection. At Virtual Hearing, we make hearing care simple, friendly, and never scary. Contact us today to book your free hearing test and consultation so we can help you improve the quality of your life with better hearing.